2 weird ways to make him feel impulsive love for you. A man in love isn't going to make excuses about not being around when you need him. He won't give you mixed signals about his true feelings for you. When he's into you, he's not going to have any problems committing himself to you 100%. See? The truth is that there is no such thing as commitment phobia with men. A guy has no problem making room in his life for a serious, committed relationship. However, he knows in the back of his mind that this is a huge step. After he makes that leap of faith, his life will never be the same. So, men aren't scared of commitment. They're just very careful with who they commit to. But how do you make him see you as the one? Here are 2 crucial steps to guide his mind and heart in the right direction. Step 1. Become emotionally in tune with him. If you ever want a man to feel a deep, intense, almost addictive love for you, then you need to become emotionally in tune with him. What do I mean when I say emotionally in tune? I basically mean that you have to connect with the emotional part of his mind rather than the logical part. Most women don't get this. In fact, most women dress sexy, cook great meals and try to logically convince a man to like them. But that doesn't work because they're missing the most important element of the puzzle. That element is emotion. Have you ever seen a woman who can make any guy go absolutely crazy for her and do the dumbest and sometimes even embarrassing things to please her? And at the same time, have you ever seen a woman who does everything right, yet she is never able to get the love or attention she desperately desires from her man? What is the difference between the two? The woman in my first example understands the critical concept of becoming emotionally in tune with a man, and as a result, she is able to make a man literally dance to her tunes, while most women try really hard yet struggle. Bottom line is that you will always struggle with men unless you become emotionally in tune with them. If you don't get this, then you are only spinning your wheels without getting anywhere. I'll show you a ridiculously easy way to do it in a moment, but before that, let me give you the second step. Step 2. Establish yourself as a valuable asset in his mind. Why are diamonds so valuable? Is it because they look pretty? Is it because they're expensive? The fact is, diamonds are valuable because they're rare and not easy to acquire. They're perceived as something very valuable. In order to make a guy go almost nuts about you, you need to present yourself as a super valuable asset, exactly like a diamond. You need to position yourself in a way that he would be absolutely scared to lose you and would even fight to keep you for as long as possible. You see, something weird gets triggered inside a man when he knows that you're this valuable asset. His animalistic instinct awakens and he feels a strong inner drive to protect you, fight for you and never let you go. Every guy is a born hunter. They all have a hunter instinct embedded deep within their subconscious mind, and this only awakens when a woman presents herself as this special prize to be won. During this process, a man can't help but act on this instinct and will chase you as hard as humanly possible. In fact, he will feel absolutely lucky to have you around him and will even value whatever time and attention he gets from you. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. If you would like any further advice, click the link